Hey Bountiful family, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how you are going to make a unique, easy, and free logo for your business. You guys know the most famous companies, they are identified by their logo. Having a good logo is great for brand identification, and it's definitely something you want to do before you start. Nothing bothers me more than just seeing a random picture on a brand's TikTok page or Instagram page and not having any sort of logo, when it's literally so easy to make one, and I will show you guys how to do that today. Before we get too deep into this video, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep on making videos like this for you guys. You guys know I am all about doing things for free when you're first starting out, since you don't want to dump too much money into a project that's not even making money for you yet. You guys know I have an entire step-by-step playlist that really does care about your pockets. And I show you guys how to make a website for free, how to market your business for free and grow it for free without Facebook ads or without ads, and so many more helpful videos on my YouTube channel. I'll leave a playlist link for you guys right here. And you guys know I have so many different videos about how to name your business, how to get the domain, how to make the website, but I realized I had never made a video for you guys how to actually make a logo. So if you guys want to see how you guys can make your business's logo in less than 10 minutes for free, then let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so you guys are going to go to zarla.com and you're going to just type in whatever brand name you have here. So whatever name you come up with first, you're then going to type in here. So for this video's purpose, we're going to call our brand Body Fitness. Then literally just click create your free logo. So then it wants you to just let them know what type of business it is. They have fitness, they have fashion, they have so many different types of businesses that you guys can create your logo based on. So we're gonna pretend like we're building a fitness brand, and we're gonna pretend like it's a fitness clothing brand or apparel. So we'll just click fitness clothing. And if you wanted to add a slogan, you'll add it here, but I always like to keep things simple and concise, and we want it to look clear in the image. A lot of times because profile pictures are smaller, and this is going to be our profile picture, so let's just click next. And then you can either search for icons or they can choose icons for you. So for this video's purposes, we'll just let them pick some for us so we can see what they come up with. So they show you a bunch of different logos here, which I really like how they include photos that you guys can use as well. That I feel like this one reminds me of the Made in China Alibaba logo, actually. And there's a lot here that you guys can choose from. Obviously, if there's one design that you like for example, if you like this one's text, you could then click customize the icon or the text itself. And it comes up with different things for you here. So you can type in fitness. And they have so many different logo designs that you guys can use. So if you guys have like a women's brand, they have women's type logos. They have like here, if you were selling leggings or fitness apparel, here you could use this one. And I kind of like how they have like Spartan ones here for male brands as well. But they just have so many different ones. Like, look how many different ones you have. I kind of like this heart one too. It actually reminds me of other fitness brands that I've seen online. But literally the possibilities are endless for so many different niches that you guys can get. I kind of like this one with the leggings. Like if I was creating a leggings brand, this one would be really cute. So we can actually just change it over. So you just change the logo on the thing itself. You can just click on it and it changes it for you. It's very simple. I really like how simple this website is. And then obviously, like, if you wanted to change the name, you can change that here. You can also change the text. And if you wanted to add a slogan like get your leggings on. This is obviously really random, but I thought this was cool as well. This would be cool for like a banner, like a Facebook banner or something too, if you wanted to add on the slogan there. I feel like this would be a really nice touch as well. So this could be graphic design for a lot of different things, not necessarily just for your logo itself. So then they have different background colors. Now, I wouldn't stay with white. I would definitely choose a color. You guys could choose white, but I feel like it looks cheap for certain profile pictures because remember, you guys, we want our profile pictures to stand out. So you guys can actually just play with the colors here too. They actually give you ideas of colors that work good together. I'm definitely not an artist in this type of thing, but if you guys know colors that work good for you, I really like this purple. And I also really love how they even show you how it would look on clothes. So if you're someone you're designing clothes or anything, I also really like how it kind of just shows you on different things. And again, here, this was perfect. This is actually what I was talking about with the Facebook banner. This is perfect to create designs for Facebook. It just shows you how it's going to look across social media, which I really love. So once you are done, you're literally just going to place your email in here. You just click free download, and then from that download, you can just airdrop it to your phone, or you can airdrop it wherever you need, or upload it wherever you need or email it to yourself, and then you will have your logo. So all you guys have to do is just put your email in here and then just click free download, and it asks you if you want to sign up for the monthly newsletter. But it's literally as simple as that. So that's Zarla. So I wanted to show you guys also other examples of other ones that they had on Zarla. So for example, I searched like beauty brand, and this could also work for like an estheticians or people that have service-based businesses too. I wanted to see like what they had, and they have so many nice, look, even like Lash Techs could use this for their lash logo. How cute are these different icons that they have, you guys? I actually really like these. And it also shows you like on the apparel, like what it would look like on the business cards and everything. But I just thought this was really cool to see it as well from like people that want to start a beauty brand. They have like a lot of different types of themes for so many different niches. But I just wanted to show you guys this one because I thought this one was very cute for service-based businesses and other beauty businesses. And then you guys can always click on ideas too. And you guys can go here and they give you like the templates again. So if you guys want to change your template, if you like a certain text, then you can jump over to other templates and use those templates as well. I had for other men's businesses, so I just wanted to search men's. And look how many they have. They have like men's hairstylist, hairdresser, haircuts, grooming. They have literally so many. And I saw this one here that says mentor. Let's see what they have here. Mentorship. So even for things as random as like a mentorship or some type of online service, they also have a lot of like sophisticated looking logos for that as well, which I thought was cool too. So I started off with this type of logo when I first started because, again, I didn't want to put money into a project that wasn't making money yet. But then once I saw profits, I knew it was time to get an advanced logo. So I actually paid this very talented artist. I'll put her name up on the screen and down in the description. I paid her to create a logo for me. And there's a lot of other artists on Fiverr as well that you guys can check out that could also make a very unique logo for your brand. Because you guys know in my methods, I teach you guys how to market from TikTok and Instagram, and you guys want to make sure your profile pictures are standing out amongst the rest. Which is why I definitely think once you start making money with your business, it could be worth it to go to an actual artist. But I really do like this website Zarla because it's so easy. It takes you literally 5 minutes to make it. And they also have a lot of images and it looks very professional, which is why I like Zarla and why I use Zarla as a beginner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you to create your amazing logo. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Give this video a huge thumbs up so I can keep on making videos like this for you guys. Bye, everyone.
Hold me close till I get up.